Of an employer plan or from a Roth 401k, it gets more complicated. I'm saying that to say you got to be careful when you're advising clients here, because you might need to file Form 8606 and Form 5329 if the IRA custodian does not report the distribution as qualified, and you'll need to know this information in order to file the forms accurately.
Do either of you see a lot of non-qualified Roth distributions, or is it rare and unusual?
I see a lot of it.
I do too.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I do too.
And what, people just want the money? They need it?
That or lack of knowledge. I mean, let's
Yeah.
look at, for example, I see, inherited Roth IRAs.
Right.
The beautiful thing about that is if it's a qualified Roth, so it was held for 50 or 5 years, and we all
Right.
know that death is the exception for the beneficiary. If they've had 5 years, great. You could, in current law, you could stretch that over the beneficiary's life expectancy
Right.
or applicable period, tax-free. So all that accumulated tax-deferred growth
Right,
is tax-free.
right.
But let's suppose you have a beneficiary that inherits it in year 3. Well, they don't know the difference, and they take a lump sum because they're one of the beneficiaries that says, hey, I just inherited this. Well, they've got the qualifying event, death, but mom only held it for 3 years before she died.
Right.
Now you've taken that distribution, and the gain is taxable
Wow,
to the
wow.
beneficiary. So it's lack of knowledge, I think.
All right.
Yeah, and they need
Yeah.
the money.
Let's go to slide 26, marriage and beneficiary designation.